Send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.
Hello Yinzer fam, we wanted to get together and take some time to wish you a Merry Christmas today.
Our goal was to hit 1K subscribers before the new year. Well, we actually hit it before Christmas
Eve.
Yeah, before Christmas Eve. So we want to thank everybody out there for watching the videos, for giving us watch time, for also subscribing and watching our crazy family here go find deals and resell them.
And thank you to all of you other pickers out there who have taken time out of your busy lives and your businesses to help us grow ours.
So we have a little video clip we're about to show you. This morning, we actually tried fruitcake. Well, at least 3 of us did. So I want to show you this clip real quick. So guys, we are going to try this fruitcake. This is the Choice of Millions fruitcake from Claxton Fruitcake Old Fashioned. It says it's world famous. I don't know about this. I really don't. It looks pretty gross. I've never had fruitcake in my life. It's been in the fridge for 2 days since I bought it. But we wanted to do this just as a little fun thing for this Christmas holiday. So, you guys ready to try it?
Yes.
Yinzer mom and the baby are not going to try it because they have the allergies. Oh my gosh.
What are the ingredients in that though?
We have
Looks like
raisins,
mold.
orange, barley, iron, pineapple, cherries, nut meats, almonds, pecans, walnuts, sugar, corn syrup.
Sounds like it should be
It
delicious.
sounds like if it just does not.
Careful, there is like that paper on the
Yeah, but I don't
outside.
even know if I can.
Is it pretty hard?
It looks
Dense.
really hard.
It's so
Good
thick.
thing that we have Dad here, because
I feel like you guys need a glass of
I'll
milk
take
after
this. He has
this.
the muscle stuff.
I'm gonna cut this in half.
Can I take it? What? I'm scared
Okay.
to try it.
Okay, grab it. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
She just went right for it.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No.
No. Oh,
Describe it. What's it like?
Real.
Here, rather than throw it away, set it down and tell everybody
Ew.
what you think.
Raisins.
You taste a lot of raisins.
Raisins and orange.
Wow.
It's like. It's so thick. It's like so. Yes. It's very citrus. Like almost like if you ate. It has orange peel in it. It's almost like I just chewed on an orange peel.
Ooh.
It's very. I mean. It's more the texture.
It's so sweet.
It's more the texture for me. I don't like the
Yeah.
texture of it. So
All right, so no go on the fruitcake. It was good to
So-
try. So what are we gonna do with that one?
we're going to take this to your mom's on Christmas night.
No.
Let's have people eat it.
Okay.
I think that's our goal. I mean, this package right here weighs 12 ounces.
It's almost a pound for that little bit.
It's just dense. It's not bad. I wouldn't buy it again though.
We hope that you enjoy time with your friends and family today and remember the real meaning of Christmas. We hope to go into this next year with goals and ambitions to grow our channel and our Yinzer fam even more. So we'll end with a song and the Yinzer kids will take the lead.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, everybody.